Reflective journaling. What it is, how to do it, and why it's beneficial. Reflective journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. It involves writing about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences in a journal with the intention of gaining insight into your own behavior, beliefs, and values. Reflective journaling is not just about writing down what happened during the day, but about reflecting on the experience and how it made you feel. The goal is to deepen your understanding of yourself and your interactions with the world around you. Why reflective journaling is important. Reflective journaling is a way to engage in self-reflection, which is important for personal growth and development. Through self-reflection, you can identify patterns in your behavior, beliefs, and values that may be holding you back. This increased self-awareness can help you to make positive changes in your life. Reflective journaling can also help you to clarify your thoughts and feelings. It can be difficult to sort through complex emotions in your head, but putting them down on paper can help you to organize them and make sense of them. This can lead to a greater sense of clarity and understanding. Finally, reflective journaling can help you to appreciate the present moment. By reflecting on your experiences, you can become more mindful and present in your daily life. You may notice things that you would have otherwise overlooked, and you can develop a greater appreciation for the world around you. How to start reflective journaling. Choose a journal. The first step to reflective journaling is to choose a journal that speaks to you. You want a journal that you are excited to write in, and that feels special to you. Schedule a time. Set aside time each day to write in your journal. It doesn't have to be a lot of time, even just 10 to 15 minutes is enough. The key is to make it a habit and stick to it. Start with a prompt. If you're not sure what to write about, start with a prompt to get you going. Some examples might include, "What am I grateful for today?" or "What did I learn from today's experiences?" Be honest and open. Reflective journaling is a place for you to express yourself freely, without judgment or expectation. Write whatever comes to mind, even if it seems small or insignificant. Reflect on your experiences. Take time to reflect on your experiences and how they made you feel. This can help you to gain a deeper understanding of yourself and your interactions with the world around you. Benefits of reflective journaling. Improved self-awareness. Reflective journaling can help you to identify patterns in your behavior, beliefs, and values that may be holding you back. This increased self-awareness can help you to make positive changes in your life. Better decision-making. Reflective journaling can help you to clarify your thoughts and feelings. By organizing your thoughts and feelings on paper, you can make better decisions based on your values and priorities. Enhanced creativity. Reflective journaling can also boost your creativity. By exploring your thoughts and emotions in writing, you can unlock new ideas and perspectives. Increased mindfulness. Reflective journaling can help you to be more present and mindful in your daily life. By reflecting on your experiences, you can appreciate the small moments and find joy in the present. Improved communication. Reflective journaling can also improve your communication skills. By understanding your own emotions and experiences, you can better communicate your needs and feelings to others. Whether you're looking to improve your relationships, your career, or your personal life, reflective journaling is a simple and effective method that can help you achieve your goals. By engaging in regular self-reflection, you can gain insight into your own behavior and make positive changes in your life. Reflective journaling is also a great way to reduce stress and anxiety. By expressing your thoughts and feelings in writing, you can release pent-up emotions and gain a sense of catharsis. This can help to reduce stress and anxiety, and improve your sense of presence. In addition, reflective journaling can help you to develop greater empathy and compassion for others. By reflecting on your own experiences and emotions, you can develop a greater understanding of the experiences and emotions of those around you. This can help you to develop deeper, more meaningful relationships with others. Reflective journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection and personal growth. By engaging in regular self-reflection, you can gain insight into your own behavior, beliefs, and values, and make positive changes in your life. Reflective journaling is a simple and effective method that can help you to reduce stress, increase self-awareness, boost creativity, and improve your communication skills. So, grab a journal and start reflecting today. Thank you for joining us again, and please check out our next video if you have time. It's right there.